Time to do some sketchy stuff. Sketchy stuff. So yeah, I'm here with Cooter today because I was asked about putting a logo on a part after it had already been printed. So yeah, instead of being, a good person and writing correct scripts and G code and whatever, we're just gonna go for it. See what happens. So these are Pet G, and really the only thing that sticks to Pet G is Pet G. I mean, like, for real. So yeah, we can see. Here's the epoxy test. You can't see that, can you? So epoxied this little nameplate on, and the epoxy just, peels right off. You can't see that. I'm gonna put the camera down, and we're gonna do it. So yeah, where's the button? All right. So my plan is basically to move the Z limit switch up so the printer now thinks that this is 0, and then run the program. So let's do that. All right. Well, this plan may be short-lived because that's all the wire we apparently have for our Z limit switch. Like I said, didn't think this through all the way, huh? All right. All right, I'm gonna swap out to the GoPro and get a time lapse and see when it's done. Okay, battery number, I don't know what. We're gonna use some jumper wires. This is unplugged on the other end. I know, I know.
What do you think? Alright, I think we need to adjust the Z a bit. Yeah, okay. But, this is promising. Too low. Alright. Are you ready to put him faster? We're almost there. Yeah, filling out. I'm confident. Yeah. Alright. Get some filaments. Alright, free reading. We're going with purple because I have purple. And yeah, let's see. We're using Cooter today also because he was voted most likely to not have a correct Z height anyway, so messing with the sensor really isn't going to change a whole lot in Cooter's life. And I need to do some maintenance on him anyway, so there's that. If we screw something up, I'm not too terribly upset. I think we're ready. No, I forgot to disable the bed heater. Did not expect that. So, this is where I have my spool holder. We just crashed on that, didn't we? And that's just reset everything. Alright, fair. This is about to turn into a disaster, isn't it? I can feel it. Alright, I'm putting it down. Look at that, we found it. Alright, so not ideal, but you know what? Rolling with it. Okay, what are the odds? Does it work? We should end up with this in purple right about there-ish. That's attached. 5 degrees, 3 degrees, 2 degrees. Go. No, I'm not impatient at all. Alright, should purge. Should not do a skirt. There we go. Did not anticipate that. Okay. Okay. Stop. Stop. I stopped you. Alright, so I hit on the braided piece that's there. I thought that might happen, but check that out. It's actually bonded on there. Alright, I'm gonna flip this around because this is just a test. So we're gonna be upside down, technically. But it should still. So that's promising. Okay, look at that. I also chose the under because the spring loaded bed and really shouldn't do much damage. Turn the speed way down. Not that it wasn't already slow, but yeah. You still on? Alright, you are still on.
I think it's doing it. Oop, a little bit of misalignment. On the fly tuning here. Who's paying attention? It's working! Look at that! How cool is that? Of course, I picked the wrong tripod. Alright, you're stuck with me. How's it doing? It's totally doing it. It's totally doing it. Well, you can see our bed leveling was pretty crappy. That's to be expected. Alright, not perfect by any means, but I don't hate it. Proof of concept, I guess. Crap, this means I'm gonna have to do it for real, doesn't it? Alright, well, it worked. So I guess now we gotta try to peel it off, huh? Alright. Don't stab yourself in the wrist. Oh, I did get under it right there, okay. But that was our bad corner that we didn't level very well. That worked! I'm impressed. Let's see if we can get that corner. You totally can't see anything, can you? It's really on there. Well, clearly it's way better than epoxy. And like, you know, I could get under it a little bit. So I think we're gonna have to focus. There you go. We're gonna have to do it for reals, huh? I think going slow was important, giving it time to heat the base PET G and bond to it, and then layer height, obviously, really important. But it worked. Okay. Well, I guess I know what I'm doing the rest of the today or tomorrow or. All right. Yeah, I'm not sure what's totally next, but thanks for playing. This was kind of fun to screw around, and yeah, all right. And that's not nothing. Okay, we have the gloop. All right, so yeah, PET G is notoriously hard to bond to. That's why we're doing this whole thing. That's why we're doing the printing squared. Blah blah blah. Anyway, yeah. So I got some gloop. Supposedly this stuff will actually bond it. So doing an alcohol wipe. I'm not gonna scuff it just because I don't want to scuff. If I were to do this, I would not want to scuff every single part, because inevitably I would screw it up and scuff the wrong part and it'd look bad. So, alright. Alcohol is dry. We're gonna gloop some gloop on and yeah, see what we see. I should be wearing gloves, shouldn't I? Too late. Ooh, it's already drying. Okay, so it dries really fast. That's good to know. Oh, this could be a problem. Okay, we're just going with as much as we got on there, and all right, that was a way different reaction. That's what I'm kind of used to with like the Weldon solvent for PLA. So maybe this stuff works. How long are we supposed to let it sit? Doesn't tell us. Longer than that, apparently. Did I just totally screw this up? I did not. Okay. Alright, I think we're going to give it 24 hours. Come back. I did a poor job looping it on there. It dried really fast. But we're going to see what we see and potentially do it again. Alright, it's been 24 hours with the gloop. We can see it's doing the hazing, I guess, and it has definitely solvent welded. That's the word. So when I was cleaning it up, you can see that some of it, the red, bled onto the rag here. It's dry now. So let's see how we go. Okay, there's one of the edges that didn't... It was hard to spread. It glued really quickly. But, how are we doing? Getting the pliers. Oh. Alright. Alright. Pretty good. So it looks like there is transfer. So that's good news. By far the best adhesive I've used for Pet G. Oh, we can get it off, but it's on there. So yeah. Ooh, it smells too. Maybe it didn't fully... No, it's not tacky. So a little bit of the red ripped out. You can see we got a little color transfer. Solid adhesive. But still, I am able to get it off. So, maybe more testing. You know, maybe with a light scuff. I know I said I don't really want to scuff it to do this, just because I always end up over scuffing. Yeah, alright. I think had that corner, had I been able to get the gloop evenly over it, it would have been really hard. Yeah, like I can't get that corner up. Okay, so gloop's a thing. And it's kind of got a fun name. All right, I gotta do it. Yeah, we're pulling the handles off the pliers. Yeah. Okay. Like, it really is bonding. Yeah, you can see it tore out right there. I don't know exactly what we're going to do with that, but that's really interesting that there's finally a glue adhesive that is not outrageously expensive, that has some real bite on Pet G. So that's awesome. And I think we're going to wrap it up there for this one. So yeah, printing squared, you can print on a 3D print and have it stick. And then we also learned that there is now an adhesive that is pretty legit for Pet G. So I retract my previous statement. Anyway, there we go.